We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender, and it's all about the young police from Jamaica. Seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, so you can look right now at your LCD. Yes, and you will see at the left top of your LCD that's a famous Jamaican artist back in the 1980s. Even to now, he's one of the leading artists back then in the 80s, Peter Mitchell. Although he hasn't won any Grammy or anything like that, but he has contributed positively to the dancehall. Peter Mitchell was not an artist that promote violence or anything like that. So he's one of the old school artists that, when you go to dance, you enjoy it, like, not put it there. Sharon, pregnant, you're pregnant. And, he give you a little professor nudge to and all of that. But he's an icon, especially in jungle, jungle, Jonestown. Everybody know that down by Pegasus. That's where, that's his enclave, where, you can find him. So, below Peter Mitchell, that's a man, yeah, I don't know Peter Mitchell now, because this man has done a video, said that he interviewed Peter Mitchell last week, Thursday, but the recording was distorted, so he was speaking on behalf of Peter Mitchell. I know that Peter Mitchell, I don't think that Peter Mitchell know this man, yes, and we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we're going to tell him, this man's name is Wayne Thomas, OC Jubi. Yes, and Jubi, here. I know that Peter Mitchell don't know this man. I don't know if Peter know that this man, Wayne Thomas, OC Jubi, is a picnic molester. Held on a 14-year-old girl, Cheryl Dawson, and took it by force in Waterhouse. Between Waterhouse and Riverton City. I in jungle where I'm from, if that happened, it happened back then, because the daughter now, in jungle, that he would be in Cali Smith, Gully, yeah man, in the 80s with a cardboard tag. That's how the treatment like him. So he has been going around, trying to do all kind of thing to discredit yours truly. About because he's friends with a guy by the name of Rick Dick. Rick Dick is a guy who went to prison in England for rape and kidnapping. Yes. You understand that Ricardo Tyrrell. So he has been on a campaign, trying to paint me in all kind of light. I'm not going to talk about what my past as a detective in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. But most people know me that I was a street detective, and I don't pet powder nurse murderers, period. That is just me. So you have been trying to get my attention that I have killed a corporal of the Jamaica Defence Force. And some people within Patreon have been supportive if we address it and all of this, and I can tell you that is not the first time somebody is going to try to pin something on me. They have been tried unsuccessfully before. In many, they have used so many victims and so many people that I have sent to the departure lounge. As I said before, and I won't say, I am not going to discuss what I have done in the past. This channel is not about me. It is about us, Team Jamaica, to take back our country. So this man now, he has been on YouTube promoting that years truly that I killed a corporal in the Jamaica Defence Force for his girlfriend. And I'm like, wow, what's the name of the girl? Who is that girl? I'm not pretending as if I'm better than people, but there's no woman or anything like that. And the worst part about it, I wasn't even there. I wasn't even at work during the gas riot in 1999. So that's to show you how people are very evil when it comes down to me. So most of the things that happen in St. Andrew South, that's how they used to treat yours truly and Bobby Reds. You understand? As if we were the only police that were there that, weren't afraid of criminals. So that's why. So this man is trying to get some traction off the Jamaica Young Police channel because he has sent out his video, say he wants me to address it. But I didn't even address it because I don't get credence to. I don't know this man is he's a child molester. Yes, older a little girl when she was 14 and took it for her. He could be the girl's Cheryl Dawson father, and he older her though and take it. As to me, if they had reported it to me, I don't know how I would handle it. But normally, men that rape children or rape, I can tell you, I treat them totally different. Period. Because that's a violation of people's rights. And when you infringe on a person's rights, especially a child, that's a sin that is unforgivable. Yes. So, Detective Corporal Blake, Seaview Gardens Police Station, I was one of the detectives that they sent down here to open it. Reason being is that the criminals, them in a phase 1 and phase 2, they know me and they know the kind of detective I was. So whilst I was there, that was during the 1996 election. No gunmen fire any shot because them know. You understand what I'm saying? So some things that happened and then shortly after that, after election, because that was the main reason why they sent me down there, to make sure that law and order maintained. And that was it. So, this man now, he was a minidan, Yes, this man, Jubi. I know that people in the jungle, they do not like men like him. He's a rapist. I tell you that straight up. Because if you want to like a 14-year-old girl and get her pregnant, you understand, so she have no consent. She cannot give consent. So we're going to tell you some things about this man. So he has been trying to associate himself and then telling people, say, he wants to get an interview with, he wants to do an interview with George Pong. If George Pong wants to do an interview with George Pong, have big stone. So all he's trying to do is trying to promote his channel. So he's trying to find people to talk with, and you understand, creating lies. If you know an honest criminal, show me one. Because this man is a former minidan, big informer from the Moscow corner. So he have been trying everything just to get traction from yours truly. So he's trying to do all kind of things to discredit that I am a killer, murderer, and a kill man for woman and all kind of things, which is not true. Because I am an ethical and honest and decent police officer when I was serving, even to this day. You understand? What is hurtful to him is that he cannot find anyone that to say, that he was a thief. None of them can find, you understand? And the thing is that they can't find any police that really work with me, because I only work with certain kind of detectives. I don't work with, the cowards, the man, and the thieves. You understand? There were special kind of detectives when I was in the police force that I work with. So I know that Peter Metro I don't know if Peter Metro had given him an interview as he has said, but as you know, this man is a criminal, Yes, this man was deported. This man went to prison in America for drug dealing and deported. And you know that Ian Ricardo Tyrrell, that's the guy that involved with that's say once one jungle, yeah, and he went to prison in England, you know. So this guy now want to bring on some heat now want to Rick Dick to Ricardo Tyrrell, yeah, the deportee from England, the man who went to prison in England and trying now to get his papers in the United States of America. As I said to you guys before, and I'll say again, I'm one of the biggest informers in America. I came to America, I served in the United States military, and I am still serving in one of the biggest government federal agencies in America. So I will always be an informer because I don't like criminals. Where else you see, you know, in America, you make money and then sending back guns to Jamaica to kill poor people. So we don't support people like that, period. You understand? So we are for the rule of law. You know, and that's how we do our things. We don't support criminals. So, moving on. So, we know that Peter Mitchell did not know that William Thomas, that's the man at the bottom, OC Jubi, is a child molester. He held down a 14-year-old girl, Cheryl Dawson, and took it by force. You know, in a jungle, him and a Cali Smith drive gully with a cardboard around him neck. You know, I get a nice label and thing. I don't think that don't apply to, you know, people at Waterhouse, you know, because that's how them operate around there. You know, them see people look a pitney and them decide, say, give me this, yeah. So that's how the man up at top. But in case him do not know now, so him say he wanted to meet with George Pang to do an interview because I try promote him channel. But little did he know that George Pang do not like rapists, so he might go to Jonestown or Jungle and they might take care of him there. Not that word you understand, because that's how it is there. If you remember George Pang, nephew Andrew Pang, that he was doing the same kind of thing there. And that's why they were trying to say that Andrew Pang killed Chubby, that is Nine's sister and all kind of thing. Zero tolerance to people like Jubi. So yeah, so Jubi, you can't go on a jungle and anything and try to find George Pang. So now they know say you're a big rapist. Yeah, rape, roll your old down Cheryl and take it. So we are continuing the journey. So we know Will Thomas, OC Jubi, whose photograph and mural was painted on the wall of Masco Corner, Waterhouse, Kingston 11. So those are here, especially but you hear about Masco, that are Ian Masco. That are the same man where he's in prison, yeah, him in a death row in Florida for murder. I don't know if one of the reasons why him kind of, because I was one of the detectives. Yes, yours truly and Bobby Reds were the detectives who took the FBI agents to the man's house in the man's house in a Kingston 11 that came back to America and testify against Masco and send him to prison because they had shown him video with Masco enjoying himself and the same man who was deported from America was living in a shack. Yes, and we were the one that find him for the FBI agents, and then we took him to the embassy. You understand? And he was able to. So I don't know if this criminal William Thomas OC Jubi knew. So you know them have on the wall. They have a mural of him back then in the 1990s. Yeah, when them say Art of Gold. But it's the art of gold. We are say it's art of a raper. Yeah, pick the molester, rapist. So him say he want to meet with George Pang in Jonestown, Kingston 12, where the rapist would, you know, in a jungle and them thing there, he would be lying in Cali Smith gully with a cardboard tag. That's how it used to be done there. In a Waterhouse, even when I was a detective, that no happened there. In a jungle, that, no, you can't trouble like a picnic. That's what this man is doing. So I need to link up with, one thing I can give him is that he's learning, because I'm learning some things on our channel. You understand? Yeah. Although he's not that, his IQ is higher than ugly some. So you have to give him credit for that. But that not still take away from say my rapist and how many little pit name trouble at Waterhouse. This man. You understand? So these are the men in time. That's why we tell us we don't like them Dan and all them thing there. We molest people like a pitney, little girl them in order to get to them, and then when they molest them, the parents them can't say nothing. You understand? When I was growing up, them things happening in a Jonestown concrete jungle. You understand? Now happen. Man do that, say straight, they want to go straight to the departure lounge. So him now, him do it for years and get away with it. So him get deported, him went to prison in America. Cause him pretend, say he was in the music. Him bring up a whole heap of criminal from Jamaica to America through the music thing. You understand? But him spend some time in a prison here in America. You understand? So them have his mural back in the 1990s. But because him lose him status, because him have no money anymore, because say for be a done, you have to bring in money for fund the operation. You understand? And them have still have to give the youth them money and all of these things, so you buy them loyalty. So say him run out of money, so and him get deported, so say after that him become a big informer too. Yeah man, inform on the same youth them where him used to the run and them thing there. And we soon reach to that, because we tell you all the time, I done them all is an informer, big informer. So you see him there, Jubi. Yeah man, Jubi a big informer. So based on his actions, the fitting name would not be an art of goal, it would be art of a dog. Art of a dog, the depraved-minded reptilian. Because no normal, decent, ethical, honest and truthful man would see a child and molest them, or even to think of them in that way. When you could have been the child's father, so he's supposed to be like a father to that little girl, to Cheryl, No, but you mean that. Him see her and say, give me that. And because you're a bad man and him have gun and him thing there, and that is what he have done. And him get away with it because the mother, Juanita, licky, because the daughter still traumatized from it even to this day, but there's no statute of limitation. You understand? But we don't know if should I want to still go through it, because although the daughter is an adult now, I don't know if the daughter know that her father raped her mother. You understand? And we can't tell you this, Jubi, in case you do not know. Although we have left the police force decades ago, there's so many people within Kingston 11, Kingston 13, and 20 we still love it. Because, you know why? Because they have given us information and we acted on it and we did the necessary. So these people, their children, know about us, so they'll contact. That's why. So you see, when you come out and you say things about us, these are people close to Petal and others where, them say, oh, a dirty boy, this and them thing. And if you say this boy, a police like you, and you and Mr. Bobby, and Mr. Bobby, you say there, them a place and you say nice. So, you understand? So you bark up the wrong tree, rapists. You understand? So we're not going to address any more people who come out with them madness. So as we said, in the fitting name for him is in an art of dog. You understand? Man in an art of goal nothing. So the mother, that a little girl raped, Cheryl Dawson, was raped at a tender age. And she was under 16, which makes it a crime under the laws of Jamaica. At the time when it occurred, if he were arrested and charged with carnal abuse, rape, his sentence would have been life imprisonment without parole. But the mother of the child, Miss Juanita, collected money from the picnic molester him, that are Wayne Thomas, also Jubi. So anybody out there and him thing there. So he might tell lie, And if you know an honest criminal, show me one. He might tell lie. And this, look, we have this man afraid, So this is coming from people, every information and all these things. Yeah, you have to know if we have people who can register, if you know all your data, register name and all them things there. We're not going to put the child name out there. You understand? Because the child is innocent to this. But because you portray yourself like you're some tough guy when you're a rapist. And so when I like rapists, period. Yeah, so, moving on. So, Juanita collected money from Jubi and compromised the case, allowing the child molester to roam freely between Riverton City, Callaloo Bed and Waterhouse, Kingston 11. So the victim, Cheryl have two sisters, Petal and Gail. And one of their baby fathers was friend with Jubi, and I saw him get for rape a little girl then. She traumatized even to this day. So here is this man who's a mini-dan in a Waterhouse, Kingston 11. Back then, Wayne Thomas also Jubi is a pick me molester. And remember that, you know, him Uncle Dan alone, you know, we can't tell you, know, Uncle Dan alone, photographs are on walls, murals. So if you look right now on your screen now, you will see it. Yeah. We don't know him, you know. You understand? So this is what them say about him. You understand? Yeah. And see, and this man, you know, a deportee, convicted criminal. Oh, him a bailiff in Jamaica. How is this man a bailiff in Jamaica and him a convicted criminal? But because all the system is designed in Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. So that's why this man, you know, who's a deportee and a convicted criminal, him a bailiff, I work with the court of Jamaica. So we see a little youth the other day who was on probation for some larceny. And the American court and them just kick him out because he not a connection. Because the youths, him not connected to the PNP criminal organization like this man. You understand? So you know, so him broke now, so him can't be done for Waterhouse anymore and them thing, and the youth them can't trust him because they realize he was an informer when him had done. Even though him still an inform. Every day him the Olympic Garden police station and he's not a police. We are telling that. No one of the biggest informer from Waterhouse. You understand? So you hear them say now, so him took the eagle eye from the little girl who was about 14 to 15, that are Cheryl. That's the girl, that you understand, that's the girl, we don't call the daughter name. Because we don't want to put her out there and them thing there. And re-traumatize her. Because I don't know if, you know what going on, get to one them thing, the people tell her, say, oh, maybe her auntie, when her auntie and them, and she say, boy, you know, say, I rape your father, I rape your mother and them thing there. Because your mother in a little picnic, and you roll her down and take it. And you understand, and her mama make him go to jail. Because two mama licky and collect money from him. So you see it's the mother, you know, for compromising the matter. So he claims he was in a music business and then, you know, migrate to the US, but was deported back to Jamaica in the late 1990s. So that's why during them time there, him have him think on the wall, say, art a goal. Him which the art of a dog. So up to 2014, he was a bailiff in Jamaica. You understand? From then until now. So Jamaicans, you know, claim that they burn fire and rapists. But here is one who is walking around among decent Jamaicans when he has raped many girls in Kingston 11. This man, serial rapist. So you saw them pretend as if them decent. They're not decent. Trouble you could pity them. This man, yeah man, him see him on Jubi. So all who never did know a Waterhouse, them know still, cause I saw them stay in them garrison, you know, in a what. Some ghetto is totally different. In some ghetto, you do that all they're dead. And then burn you. Or them kill you and put tag over you. So even just like all the time then we shoot the little girl, Angola. Yeah, shoot her through the window and them thing there. In my idea that not happen when I was growing up, that couldn't happen. The perpetrator would be killed and he would be in a Calismate Drive gully with him tag. Yeah man, him cardboard tag and him with a tag say him a rapist. That's all we know it was done back then, we I tell you. I don't know if not buts. You understand? So this man, yeah, the same man we are telling now, you know. Yeah, so him want to get close now to George Pang. Can him say him want to do an interview with George Pang about Rick Dick. But he and Rick Dick is friends, you know. This man and Rick Dick are friend. Yeah, that's a Ricardo Terrill, deportee from England who was convicted for kidnapping and rape. And this man is his friend. Yeah, so him a rapist and Rick Dick a rapist. Because Rick Dick got prisoner in England for kidnapping and rape. You understand? But you know how it going in Jamaica and them thing there. Money can do things, so him get more or less him get clean fingerprint record, and so him come to America and I try adjust him status. Yes, you understand? So him feel say, why? Because this is it now. America have a system where them feel say them can't beat. You know, so because them not bring up the fingerprint record from Jamaica, them say, you know, so we beat the thing. But all America have a way fi catch them all them thing now June when the adjustment of status. And we know say I buy him thing fi get him status in America and on a real marriage. We know that. But I see man who you know say more one jungle. Rick Dick, you know, we have him place at Craigtown. I see him and I said no go get Sammy and all them thing there. So that's why you hear this guy, you know, him out there and this campaign against the Jamaica Young Police Channel. He don't know nothing about me and him thing, the period, because me and him a friend. I keep calling as a friend, I have no criminal friend. Yeah, when I say I have no criminal friend, I keep friend with people, I kill people, I despise them, do you understand? If I look here, we don't have a problem with people that defend them life, you know, or defend them community. But when they are, you know, kill people, yeah, we don't know that. You understand? But we know how it is, especially in the garrison and them thing there. Because, you know, men were there and them there for protect the women them and the community that is totally different. But when you know you decide to buy, oh, well, me and the man have something I don't like him, so me I kill him. We burn fire upon them thing there. We don't believe in that. You understand? We burn fire upon that. Yeah, so the man is my friend Ricardo Tyrrell, OC Rick Dick, the deportee from England, who was convicted of kidnapping and rape. So they're my friend. So two of my rapists and friend and them thing there. So the same Rick Dick believe in getting rid of his rivals and those close to them. So the reason why now this domino him come out and talk about I say things that Peter Metro, I say some distasteful things about me and all of them things. Him say Peter Metro tell him that. And Peter Metro say tell him say he's accessible and I could call him and tell him this and now I go up on the internet and say all of this. Well look here, I'm telling you this. As I say and I say again. And I tell people all the time, I am the kind of person, even when I was a police. Not because there's some people, you know, if you know that as the man say 2 for 1, and you know say somebody a man kill somebody where corrosion, corrobunkus criminal, and you have information. You can't just wait till after him kill the person, then you take out the other one. Me never normally work them way there. You understand? And once we have the information, we have to act upon it. Because life are life. We believe in a saving life and them thing there. We believe in a preserving life. So that's how we do over here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We don't believe in us, boy, oh, this or that, and 1 and 2 little things. So we respect other people's life. You understand? So that's all it is. So the reason why Rick them were saying, say, because we're not against Peter Metro. We don't say Peter, we don't say Pegasus. We don't talk about her. We don't know them man there hasn't done on them thing that we ask. You understand what I'm saying? When we say Pegasus, everybody knows say Pegasus are like him headquarters. Them man are not left down there, them love down there. So you have to understand, you know, you have a thing that happen now in Jamaica. And like back in the days, you know, where a man have problem and him say more have to kill the man there. And other man him kill and no a different thing, they more have to kill like how them say they more kill George Bank or George Bank. I say no to one jungle. Remember say them Rick Dick, you know, them boy they are baby to George Bank and them thing there. Them boy are rapists. And the boy a drug dealer. George Bank the film thing totally different. You understand? Some people love him, some people don't love him. I just say if everybody love him, something wrong with you. Sometimes people get basket for carry water for various things. Yeah, you think people criminal dangerous, you know, and crafty, you know. We know that, you know, man kill man and then they will say somebody else and try friend people and then try to kill the friend. And when a man want to kill a next man, and then they want to kill him friend because them say are guilty by association. So them do it, you know. And you see it happen all the time in Jamaica. So Peter Metro not involved in a criminality, you know, but because True Man George Bang a friend. So now him say that now, so boy a tree down in respect of Jamaica. When I say Jim Brown dead, you know, and Jim Brown come from Tivoli. You understand? And then talks about Babsy Grange, and you know say I told you about that, and him say George Bang. That infuriate them now, you know, for hear a DJ and say a tree down in respect. Cause them a little boy for him, like a boy for him, you know. Them man they a big man for even me. Can't tell you nothing. I said to you, I say it already. Can't say anything about them. I just feel them thing that, you understand, you know, the man are involved in, I say boy, them a kill nobody, but everybody knows say Pegasus If you want him, you find him in a day, you can go down there and find him. You understand? When me a group on them thing, the man have them Benz, a big car that them time and still big. You understand? Yeah. So I don't listen to George Pang always. I go play him domino and all them thing there. So them at them same one know all I movements, you know. So they want to kill the man. You understand? So the reason why we do that on them thing there, we can't allow them to make them kill a man like him in their own. You understand what I'm saying? Because the man not create a problem, the man not do anything. The man just say no one job. And we say we too we not in that either. Because from where I grew up them thing there, Jonestown, you know Jonestown, you have the man them thing there, but no man not tell about, no man not send for the man your daughter and all them thing there. When that did happen, you understand, it was General Starkey and DNA and all them boy there, and I see him and them liquid all DNA. Yeah, you understand? And DNA and Willie got and one of them a friend. So that's why, may I tell you, that's why all them see him and all the man and spread all them things. They say George Pang involved in a killing, nothing go like that. That had a straight life on the pit side. May I tell you that. I was a detective when Willie got dead. I hear me there have video about it already. So this rapist now, him out there now, and he might try to get close to George Pang, because he want him a little friend, you know, and plus him a rapist. I two rapists them, you know. So if George Pang want to believe him, I not talk to Pang, you know. The last time I see Pang one time, my uncle, when name Jingles, Clinton David Jingle, when them kill him. Yeah, that I last time I see Pang. You understand? That I last time I say Power Man. You understand what I'm saying? Because me just totally different from enough police. Me a man, me licky. And you understand what I'm saying? I tell you, them man, them have whole heap of police friend, you know, because police licky them. I tell you that, you know. But I just me this. Then I Williams can't say no, me either and them thing there. Whilst all of the so-called bad police, them have to go check them man there, and me never do that. Me and Bobby not do them thing there. We're just different.
So as you know, we live in a world of data. Yeah, when we say data, it's all about the data. So we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we learn to respect data, because without data, you're gonna have problem in this world. So as we said before, we try to limit the amount of time that you'll get a video on YouTube. If it's live, it's totally different, because live will go in depth. Not that we don't go in depth with the 30 minutes, but as we said before, at this channel, it's not a entertainment channel, it's an educational channel, because we want to educate the people, inform the people them of what is happening around them. So we are thrilled to bring you the first part of an exciting new video series. So due to time constraint, we have broken down today's video into multiple segments to ensure you get the most of each part. So if you are eager to watch the full video and gain access to exclusive content, we encourage you to subscribe to support us on Patreon. So the link to join the Patreon is right in the link below. So if you want to see the entire video, you have to go to Patreon and subscribe to the Patreon. It's not like you're going to buy. It's even less that if you live in America, it's less than a cup of coffee. We can tell you that, yes. So click in the link in the description box to join our Patreon squad. Please note the full video access is a privilege reserved for our Patreon members only, as maintaining our sites requires ongoing support. And we have to limit free access due to the high volume of users. Over 3,000 free users. So we have people watching, and then you have 3,000 people watching it for free, and you understand. So we can have more free, we can have more socialists than capitalists. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, we live in a capitalist society. So we want to express our deepest gratitude to our Patreon members. Your support is the backbone of the Jamaica Young Police Channel squad, enabling us to continue producing the content you love. We proud to say our squad include members from around the globe: England, United States, Jamaica, Canada, New Zealand, Cayman Islands, Trinidad and Tobago, Sweden, Spain, Germany, Nigeria, South Africa, Italy, Russia, Mexico, Barbados, Turks and Caicos, Antigua, Uzbekistan, Bahamas. So Bahamas are number 20 at the bottom of the list of the 20 countries that we have people that subscribe to our Patreon squad. Yeah, so your contributions are vital, and we cannot thank you enough for your ongoing support. So in today's data-driven world, your feedback is invaluable. The compass guides us as we strive to create content that meets your needs and preferences. So we have heard your thoughts about the length of our videos, and we are making changes to better suit your busy lives. So we are committed to keeping our non-live videos under 40 minutes, and this will make our content more accessible and enjoyable, ensuring that you can easily engage with and appreciate what we produce. So some people say, why join the Patreon community? Well, joining our Patreon community isn't just about supporting us. It's about becoming a part of a dedicated group that enjoy exclusive content and special perks. So we are committed to offering significant value and exclusivity to our most loyal supporters. Each video will now conclude with a clear call to action, inviting more of you to join our Patreon family and take full advantage of everything we offer. So we have some videos there that yes, if you want, you have to join the Patreon to see that some things that we won't post on YouTube for various reasons. So your role in our success, we take great pride in responding to your feedback and proactively implementing solutions that cater to your preferences. Your input is crucial to building a supportive community around the channel. It drives us to improve continuously, and we are committed to using your feedback to guide our future content. Together, we will continue to produce excellent work and deepen our connection with you. We appreciate your support. So thanks for being an integral part of our journey. Whether you are watching our video, giving thumbs up, likes, sharing, supporting us on Patreon, or providing valuable feedback, your contribution is deeply appreciated. Together, we will continue to grow, evolve, and achieve great things. So we look forward to doing so with you by our side. So thank you again for tuning in to the Jamaica Young Police channel. So part 2 of this 3-part series will be coming up same time. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel out.